Whether idol worshipper or sectarian, no one has attained the knowledge of God. The religion of all is one, and in every age, the guides have delivered this message. The religion of all is one. Listen to its confirmation from the revealed scriptures. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, verse 7. O descendant of Bharata, whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice and a rise in irreligion, I incarnate. This command states that whenever irreligion increases on the earth, Ishwar re-establishes his world. He punishes the wicked and protects the righteous. I say to my brothers who follow Sanatana Dharma that Ishwar has given the same religion to all, and that religion is Sanatana Dharma. I address my Jewish brothers. The Holy Bible, which contains the scriptures of all the previous prophets, testifies that the religion of all is one. I also remind my Christian brothers of the words of Jesus Christ in the Holy Gospel of Matthew, chapter 5, verse 17. Do not think that I have come to abolish the Torah or the prophets' books. I have not come to abolish them, but to fulfill them. From this command of Jesus Christ, it is proven that wherever the Creator of the universe sent the religion before Jesus Christ, it was one and the same. That is why Jesus Christ says, I have come to establish the Torah and the scriptures. Later, this same command of the Creator of the universe was given to the children of Adam through my leader, the Holy Prophet. Surah Shura, verse number 13. He has ordained for you of religion what he enjoined upon Noah and that which we have revealed to you, and what we enjoined upon Abraham and Moses and Jesus, to establish the religion, and not be divided therein. Difficult for those who associate others with Allah is that to which you invite them. Allah chooses for himself whom he wills and guides to himself whoever turns back. Prophet Noah is known as Raja Satyavrata in Sanatana Dharma, and the Holy Quran confirms that the religion of all prophets, from Raja Satyavrata to my leader, the Holy Prophet, has always been one and the same. Then he said, Surah Maida, verse number 68, say, O people of the scripture, you are on nothing until you uphold the Torah, the Gospel, and what has been revealed to you from your Lord, and that which has been revealed to you from your Lord will surely increase many of them in transgression and disbelief. So do not grieve over the disbelieving people. The guidance given in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Holy Torah, the Holy Gospel, and the Holy Quran proves that the religion of all is one. When the guidance of God's final guide comes into the world, all idol worship and sectarianism will completely vanish.